Unskilled jobs in Sweden typically require minimal formal education or specialized skills, but can provide opportunities for people seeking entry-level employment. These jobs are often in industries like retail, hospitality, logistics, and cleaning services. Here are some common unskilled job options in Sweden. Cleaner, janitor. Industry cleaning services. Cleaners are needed for offices, schools, hotels, and homes. Tasks include sweeping, mopping, and general upkeep of buildings. Typical employers: cleaning companies, hotels, office buildings. Retail store assistant. Industry, retail, such as supermarkets, clothing stores, and electronics. Retail assistants handle tasks like stocking shelves, cashiering, and assisting customers. Typical employers: supermarkets like ICA and Coop, as well as clothing and electronic stores. Warehouse worker. Industry, logistics, and e-commerce. Responsibilities include packing, labeling, sorting goods, and preparing them for delivery. This is common in distribution centers and e-commerce warehouses. Typical employers: e-commerce companies, logistics companies, or large retail warehouses. Delivery driver or courier. Industry, logistics, food delivery. Drivers or couriers deliver packages, groceries, or food either by bike, car, or scooter for platforms like Uber Eats, Wolt, or PostNord. Typical employers: food delivery services, postal companies, or online retailers. Dishwasher or kitchen helper. Industry, hospitality, which includes restaurants, hotels, and cafes. Dishwashing and cleaning in restaurants or helping with basic food preparation in the kitchen. Typical employers: restaurants, hotels, and catering services. Construction laborer. Industry, construction. Construction laborers assist with basic tasks such as moving materials, demolition, and site preparation. No formal skills are needed, though physical fitness is important. Typical employers: construction companies or building contractors. Alright, so next up is the hotel housekeeper. This role falls under the hospitality industry, which includes hotels, hostels, and similar establishments. Housekeepers are responsible for cleaning and preparing hotel rooms. They make beds, clean bathrooms, and restock supplies to ensure that guests have a pleasant stay. Typically, housekeepers are employed by hotels, hostels, and guest houses. Farm worker, seasonal. Industry, agriculture. Seasonal farm work includes planting, picking, and packing crops such as berries, fruits, and vegetables. These jobs are typically available during harvest seasons. Typical employers include farms and agricultural companies. Recycling and waste management worker. Industry, waste management. Workers in recycling centers or waste management facilities sort materials, operate machines, and manage waste disposal. Typical employers are recycling centers and waste management companies. Fast food worker. Industry, fast food and quick service restaurants. Basic roles in fast food chains include taking orders, preparing food, cashiering, and cleaning the restaurant. Typical employers are McDonald's, Max Burgers, Burger King, and other fast food chains. Tips for finding unskilled jobs in Sweden. Job portals. Use websites like Indeed, Jobsbt.com, Job, Metrojob, and Arbetsförmedlingen, which is Sweden's public employment service. Walk-ins. Some companies, especially in retail and hospitality, accept applications in person. Recruitment agencies. Agencies like Manpower, Adecco, and Randstad specialize in matching people with unskilled or temporary work. Networking. Personal connections can help, especially in sectors like cleaning, construction, and hospitality. Many of these jobs offer opportunities for flexible hours and can serve as a stepping stone to more skilled positions. Basic Swedish skills can be beneficial for communication, But many employers in big cities like Stockholm and Gothenburg hire non-Swedish speakers, especially in roles like delivery, cleaning, and seasonal farm work. Visit jobsbt.com for latest jobs in Sweden today. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video.